So to start, I'm removing the seats that are just easily removable. Some of these are just really bad. These top ones, and the seats are out. Underneath you have a couple little screws that have to come out that are holding them in. Once those screws are out, these should just lift right off. So you can see these things just have tabs that just pull up once those lower ones are unscrewed. And it'll give me a chance to really do a deep cleaning on this boat too, because it's dirty. So the bench seats, they're held on with the hinges. I just used a drill for that. So these corner ones, it looks like they're bolted from underneath. These haven't been cleaned in probably 15 years. Man, that's dirty. But underneath, they're held on with these washers. There's 3 of them. Well, the cushions are all out. And it took all but 15 minutes. So I'm just going to bring them all to a staging area so I can clean them all first. I would say that looks a little bit better. So the first step I'm doing here, it's called SEM or SEM Prep, SEM soap. And it is the first step, and it's just a cleaner. As far as a topical cleaner goes, the soap really isn't bad, but it does not get out the black spots. Black spots are still there. I just wiped on some straight bleach, and it took about 90% of that black stuff off. I'm going to use that SEM soap one more time to did a much better job. The next step in this process is hitting with this vinyl prep, and I'll be honest with you, this stuff actually works great. You spray it on, let it sit for a few seconds, and then you get a nice clean damp cloth, and you just wipe it in one direction. Next step is putting on some of the vinyl coat, and secret is try not to do it on a windy day like I'm doing. And don't try to do too much at once. I'm planning on doing about 5 coats. And I bought 5 cans, so we're gonna see, at least I'm gonna do 5 coats, at least on the bottom parts of the seat where people sit on the most, and then maybe some of the top things where people have their back against. Maybe I'll get away with 4 coats on that. But just spray a little bit of time, be patient, don't try to do too much and paint the whole thing in one shot. And first coat on, looking pretty good. I'll show you how nice everything is coming out, but unfortunately I ran out of paint and I need to put more on this, so I gotta order some more. I'm gonna order 4 more cans, and also another can of that vinyl prep. I guess this is the ultimate before and after right here. Close up, you remember, some of these are just really bad. So honestly, I think this interior went from being a 3 out of a 10 to maybe a 7.5 to 8 out of 10. I mean, it's still, they're not new, but they're not embarrassing looking either. I mean, like I said, I'd give this a 2 thumbs up, especially with the total cost of this project. It's about 125 bucks. I was able to get each can of that vinyl paint from West Marine for $11.50 per can. And I had 7 cans to do this job, and then the other cans of like the vinyl prep and other stuff added up to about, like I said, $125. So I don't think I could have got a better outcome for $125. Hey, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it to a friend you think it's got pretty crappy vinyl seats, and most importantly, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.